Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to kind of briefly go over some switch replacements. I had to replace two switches. I had to replace my arming switch and then my 2-position switch. I dropped my transmitter. For some reason I wasn't using my neck strap, and I broke this switch. And the arm switch, after I guess a couple years, it just finally started to go out, and I would just barely move it, and it would either change mode or it wouldn't recognize it. And I could feel that this new switch is quite robust compared to this one. This one feels really smooth and wobbly around. This one here is pretty tight, and this one as well. So I don't know, after a couple years it's just time to replace your switches. I just wanted to give kind of a quick look at that. I've already replaced them. Unfortunately, I was trying to film it for you and something happened to it. The information disappeared. Get this battery out. That is a really tight fit. I debate if I made a mistake getting the battery that has the goggle port, the barrel, but that's what I did. Just open this up here. So basically the switch that I replaced is this one. You can see that the top wire is your red, and the next one is your black, and then there's nothing on the farthest end. So this is the one that I ordered off Amazon, and it looks to me like it's a direct replacement at OEM. And I'll put that in the link below. But basically all you have to do is just cut the insulation, your heat shrink tubing, just cut that, peel it back, unsolder the two wires, and then put some heat shrink tubing on your wires, solder it on, and you're good to go. The long switch actually has a little channel cut in the threads, so you can't put it in wrong. You can solder the wrong wires on the wrong spots though, but you can see here that it's the red wire goes here. Let me try to get this better for you here. The red wire will go here, and the black wire will go here, and then this is a dead one. There's nothing on that. And then the switch, I'll try to get this in focus here. So that's the switch that I ordered from Amazon. And it is a direct replacement. The new one I put in there is exactly the same as the one I'm showing you here. So, and then I also replaced the one below it for the arming switch. I just want to give you a detailed look at what's inside here. And I also replaced my gimbals with the Hall Effect gimbals. So if you want to check that video out, it's in my list. So yeah, thought I'd just quickly show you that and give you the link for the right switches. So this is going to be your arming switch, which is this one, and then your 2-position switch, which is this one. Alright, thanks for your time. Have a good day.